In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of pending downloads in the Google Play Store. This problem can occur when you are trying to download or update an app, and it seems stuck on pending without making any progress. But don't worry, there are some simple steps you can take to resolve it. To get started, open up the Google Play Store, and then tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap Network Preferences, and then tap App Download Preference. To fix the issue of pending downloads in the Google Play Store, simply tap and select over any network option. Tap OK to save changes. Hopefully, this should fix your issue. If these steps don't work, try clearing the cache and data of the Play Store app. This can help resolve any temporary glitches that might be causing the pending download issue. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.